Good day everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, Tosban Fashion channel. What I have today is how to make this beautiful butterfly crochet. It's a very simple one. You can use it to design even your fabric. You can use it to design your crochet waist. So simple to make. All you need to do is to watch this tutorial to the end. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, this is an avenue for you to subscribe to my channel and put on your notification bell so that each time I release a new video, you can have access to it. So let's start. I'm going to take my yarn. I'm using 2 strands of yarn. The first thing I shall be doing is to make a stitch knot. Can you see? Then I bring it out. Can you see? But I will make this loop here to be smaller than this one. So then I hold it together, then we can start. I'm going to hold this point, then I insert my crochet hook here in the hole, then I make 3 chains. 1, 2, 3. Now, having made the 3 chains, I'm going to yarn it over. Can you see? Then I insert into the bigger loop. So then I make double crochet. Then I continue, I yarn it over, I make another double crochet. This is the second double crochet. Then I proceed, I yarn it over 2 times now. 1, then 2. Then I insert into that same loop. This time around I'm making triple crochet. You can see 1, 2, and 3. Triple crochet. I also yarn it 2 times. I insert. I'm making triple crochets. This is the first one. 2, 3. I also yarn it 2 times, which means I'm making 3 triple crochets. 1, 2, 3. Can you see? So I proceed. I'm going to make 2 double crochets right now. The first one is this double crochet, then second double crochet, second double crochet. So right now I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Then I make single crochet to close that part up first. Can you see? So this is the first face. The first face, remember, is 2. So I'm going to yarn it over and make 2 double crochet. This is the first one. And you see, this is the second double crochet. Then I will proceed by making 3 triple crochets. I yarn it 2 times. Can you see? I insert into that loop, that same loop. Then I make triple crochets. 1, 2 and 3. So I'm making this one 3 times. I've made first one. We are left with 2. So I yarn it 2 times. Can you see? Into the same loop, triple. 1, 2, 3. I yarn it the 3rd time now. 1, 2, 3. So right now I'm going to make 2 double crochet. The first one is this. Then the second one into that same loop. So right now I'm going to make 3 chains. 1, 2 and 3. Then I'm making single crochets right now. Can you see? So right now I'm going to fasten it together, bringing out this. Then I fasten it together. You see? So right now I'm going to cut this off. Then I remove this. Then I'm still going to fasten it together because I don't want to see hole here. Can you see? So right now I'm going to tie it very well. So I'm going to cut it off. So as you can see, as simple as that. So this is it. If you have any question regarding this, please drop your question in the comment section so that I can attend to it. If you are not clear, you just let me know. So we have actually come to the end of this tutorial. And you see, very nice. So like I said, you subscribe to my channel so that you can enjoy more of my tutorials. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.